Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install Telegram on your Windows operating system. Telegram is a cross-platform messaging service with enhanced security and privacy. Alright, let's get started. Double click Microsoft Edge, type Telegram, download. Alright, click on it. Do not click on anyone that says add. As you can see, this is the official website, telegram.org. Click on it. And then we have to find for Telegram for Windows. As you can see, Telegram for PC here. Click on it. And then this PC is 64-bit, so we're gonna click on Get Telegram for Windows times 64. If yours is 32, you click that as well. Alright, it's downloading here. We could run the installation from here. However, close this out. Go to your File Explorer. Click on Downloads and click the Telegram setup here. Double click. Alright, let's close this out. Select your language, click OK. Just click next. Click next. Click next and install. Alright, launch, finish. And here we are. This is our Telegram. As you can see, you can click start messaging and you basically have to follow these instructions using your phone and the QR code listed. It created the desktop icon for us, and if you wanted to pin it down here, just right click and click pin to taskbar and it will always be there for you. Okay, leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.